In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create group chat in Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, and then if we tap at that DMs icon, we will be taken to Facebook Messenger app. As you can see, now I'm on Facebook Messenger. So instead of opening up Facebook app, we can directly go to Facebook Messenger app and then tap at that icon. After that, we can tap at create new group, and then we can, in that simple way, add our friends to that group chat. We can also name that group chat, and once we've done with that, we can tap at create to create group chat in Facebook or in Facebook Messenger. That's how you can easily create group chat.